Welcome to another edition of News Bites here on Daily World Television. My name is Kal Korff and I'm your host. As Great Britain prepares the formal process of leaving the European Union, it has started opening negotiations with other countries, of course, because it has to start from scratch and say, well, how do we get along diplomatically and trade-wise and business-wise and job-wise, currency-wise, etc., since we're not going to be part of the EU. The problem Britain is facing is pushback from EU member nations who have no intentions of leaving. The country of France is a prime example. The French have told Great Britain that they will not begin negotiations for a post-Brexit way of doing things until after concrete steps outlined by Great Britain are not only labeled and identified, but are then acted on. This puts the British in a bind because the British have not thought this process through. In fact, the problem with Great Britain is that its government in London really doesn't want to leave the European Union. One must remember that the Brexit initiative itself barely passed by only a few percentage points. Most of the people in London, including members of the government and parliament, did not vote to leave the EU, but the rest of the country did, and the result shocked people in London, caught them off guard, including the complacent government, who could have done more to campaign against leaving the European Union, but they just couldn't be bothered to do so. In fact, they became so arrogant that they thought they would win the referendum and didn't have anything to worry about. They were ignorant and wrong. So France is doing the right thing. They're telling Great Britain, hey, we're willing to talk to you, but not until you get serious and outline your vision and let us know ahead of time what concrete steps you are taking to leave the European Union. Once we have them from you, and you actually start doing them as opposed to leaving them as empty rhetoric, then we can get serious and we can talk. France is right to do this. This will force Great Britain to fly straight, focus, get their act together, because they need to. Now that Theresa May has signed the document that begins the countdown to enacting Article 50, Great Britain has about 4.5 months, that's it folks, to leave the EU. And if they don't have their act together by then, they'll be caught short-handed, and it will not be good for the British economy and Great Britain overall and its citizens.